Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the ChatGPT app if it's not working on your iPhone or iOS device. Basically this video is going to have multiple solutions. So you can see the ChatGPT application on the bottom left of my screen. Click into there and then basically if the app is not loading or there's a black screen or it's just not working in general, what we can do is basically press and hold from the bottom of the screen and swipe up slightly until all of the different applications that are running on this device appear right here. And then what we can do is press and hold the ChatGPT application, press and hold it, and then swipe up from there. And that's going to close the ChatGPT app. So from there, what we can do is go back into the application, press the button. That's going to relaunch the ChatGPT app. And then hopefully that fixes your issues. But if you're still experiencing difficulties, then make sure that you're actually connected to a good internet source. And we can do that by going to the settings tab and then go to Wi-Fi and make sure that you're actually connected to a solid internet connection like I am here, this home EE Wi-Fi with full bars, or if not, use a personal hotspot, or even back out and go to mobile data and check that mobile data is actually toggled on and it's not toggled off like we can see that I'm doing right here. Then from there, the mobile data options, make sure that roaming is also turned on. However, from there, what we need to actually make sure that we do have running is the latest version of this app. And we can do that by going to the App Store and then on the bottom right, start typing in at the top, ChatGPT, and then press search at the bottom right. That's going to give you a bunch of listings. Go to the first organic link, the ChatGPT option, and on the right hand side there's a button that says open. That basically means that we are indeed running the latest version of this app. However, if the button says update in blue text, that means that you're not running the latest update, and that could be causing the glitches, the bugs. So press the update button and then that will download all of the files onto your device, reinstall the application, and then from there you can open it and hopefully that fixes all of the issues. But from there guys, another solution is to actually clear all of the app cache on this device. And we can do that by going to the settings and then back out of here, go down to general, find iPhone storage in the middle of the screen, and then find the ChatGPT app. And here it is here, unfortunately near the bottom of the screen. So find ChatGPT, click into there, and then we can see some different options right here. One of the buttons in blue text is offload app. When we click that and we confirm to offload app at the bottom, that will clear the cache for this application on this device. And from there, we can press the reinstall app button and that will reinstall ChatGPT on this iPhone. But from there, guys, if you're still having problems, then what you can do is go to the delete app button and completely reset by completely deleting the ChatGPT app and then re-downloading it on this device. Press the delete app button and then press delete app again at the bottom. That's going to remove ChatGPT from your iPhone. And then from there, we can swipe up, go to the home screen, and then go back to App Store and make sure to find the ChatGPT organic listing right here. On the right hand side, there's a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. Press that and it's going to download all of the files, reinstall ChatGPT on this application. And then from there, hopefully that fixes all of the issues and you can use ChatGPT again. However, guys, if there's still problems, make sure to actually contact ChatGPT themselves directly by either a phone number, an email address, or even a live chat option. Walk them through all of the difficulties that you are experiencing, and then hopefully they will be able to find a solution for you. However, if that's still not working, then please comment down below on this video and I will get back in contact with you about a solution for your specific problem. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. Hopefully you're able to use ChatGPT app again on your iPhone or iOS device. If you have, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Thank you.